home.
Hello. Wish we were home.
Nah, just IKEA.
Just IKEA. I'm a little short person. So just a short.
One problem with IKEA. There's no water.
I have no tea.
Bedtime. She's found her wardrobe. She's very happy.
It's been so long and we needed it. Look, it's a window. Come look at this space. Look. 2 doors. Show it. Obviously, get my mirror, so that's a selfie. And then look, all my jumpers are going to go in there, and I probably will fill up all that space with my jumpers because I have too many jumpers.
Or just Disney shirts.
Or Disney. No, Disney shirts is going to stay in the drawer.
Disney shirts.
Disney shirts. Disney shirts. He's only here for one thing. That's. If we go to IKEA, that's all he wants to get. Just don't. Can't have it. Fit for Florida. Fit for Florida. Don't give me puppy eyes. Down. What else is there?
Build a flower drink.
Ugh. That they look cute.
Very vague. Biscuits.
They're shaped in IKEA though. That's really cute.
Flavour? Biscuits. They're just biscuits.
Biscuits. What about the crust? The sour cream, onion flavour. Not bad, not bad. Shall we buy a spatula, mister?
You are a spatula.
Yeah, but what happened to our spatula?
What did I do to it? Oh, I blended it.
Yes, you blended it.
I blended it.
So, spatula?
Do you think it will blend in?
Ha ha ha. We can just pretend we're on an airport. Going to Disney. Are we on an airport?
No.
No.
It's IKEA. With the handrails, it seems to go backwards faster than it goes down.
Mona. Yeah. Yeah, Disney. Can't this be an airport one? Be more fun. It means I'm going somewhere. Nearly at the end. Nearly. Look at all the picture frames. We are on a hunt for a picture frame. We'll see if we'll get one.